again. It's a redskin.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've got a few bits that I was just about to put away, and I thought I'll do a little video and show you. This is just a random nail art haul. It's a couple of bits from AliExpress, Amazon, there's PR, there's all bits and bats. So I thought, yeah, I'll show you what I got. So I'm going to start first with, like, not glitters, these are more like sequins. So these are from Colours World, and it is TCT 704. I'll leave the link below. I'm not going to go through them all, but guys, look at all these colours. Let me just zoom you in a tad. So we've got your standard black and white, and then we've got full rainbow colours. Look at all them colours. Right, and these are the Louis Vuitton, you know the Louis Vuitton, trying to get them out to show you. You know the Louis Vuitton little sequins that you get in the Louis Vuitton on their clothes and their bags and all stuff like that. It's just them, but every different colour, and they're like paper. They're super thin, all bright neon colours. So we'll have to, and I've got the Louis Vuitton badge as well in these, so they'll be quite cool, won't they, to match them up. I love them. And then yeah, we've got the black and the white as well. I like them a lot. And then this is a must-have for summer this year, this glitter collection. Oh my gosh. So this is TCT 682. And again, look at all these colours. So this is an ultra fine glitter mix, all iridescent. So it comes with two whites. It's very difficult to see on camera how nice these are. Let me zoom you into my thumb a second. Yeah, you can't really see them. But yeah, this has got a pink shift, this has got a blue shift. They are stunning, ultra fine. I use these ultra fine, particularly white ones, a lot, because you can sprinkle them over any colour. I like them. And then it's got a couple of blues. These are going to look identical on camera. They are very similar. Oh, they do look different actually. Such a shame you can't see the colours coming off them, guys. They are stunning. And then we've got these two pinks. They're similar but different. Ultra fine. They're almost like powder. They're nice. And then these three are kind of corally kind of colours, aren't they? Beautiful. I mean, look at that colour. Wow, I love these. Then we've got a couple of greens and a yellow. These greens are nearly identical. You can see the slight difference, not much. But yeah, that is a nice collection for summer, isn't it? Ultra fine glitters. You can just sugar them into any nail. I do like them ones. Lastly, off Ali, I think this is it for AliExpress. Not really been ordering much off AliExpress lately. Right, so I got these bunny heads. So these are metal, little pink metal bunny heads. Aren't they cute? Yeah, so these are just little bunny heads. We've got, oh, I didn't know that. They're all like this, AB, but there is two in there that are just transparent. Can you see? I don't know if they were all meant to be that colour or if it was meant to be a mix. But they're cute, aren't they? Yeah, they're metal as well. And also got these. These are similar. These ones are little guns. Pew pew. Teeny tiny little guns. And again, these are AB. Or have these got a mixture? Not sure. Look at the size of these teeny tiny little rhinestones on them. Look at the detail. And I mean, these are tiddy little guns. They're quite wide that way, but long ways, they are small. Ooh, I like them. They're cute, and they're metal as well. And guys, wait and see these. So this is a pack of 5. These are so cool, but they're huge. Look at these. So these are like a baby pink kind of chrome. Ooh, Aren't they cool? I mean, they are huge. They'd have to go on like one of these novelty kawaii kind of sets that I do. But I just thought they were so cute and I just had to get them. I loved them. Yeah, they were a pack of 5, them ones. Right, guys, and I also got, this is off Amazon. So this is from the brand Acutech. They recently upgraded their packaging and their tubes of Polygel and everything come in this holographic tubing now. I love it. And this is a pack of 2. And it's a glitter tray. I should start using these. I've already got one and I always forget I've got it. So yeah, it's a pack of 2. I'll just open one and show you. So it comes with a nice little fluffy brush, a couple of nail files and a cuticle stick. And look, it even comes with 2 little mini itty bitty funnels to put your glitter back in if you've got glitter in something that's thin. That's cute. So should I show you what it is? I'll get a glitter out to show you. So it's one of these glitter trays. So if you put in glitter on your nail, it doesn't go every... Let me show you. Let me just grab a glitter. Right, so let me bring you down a bit to show you. So you would have your glitter like this. And say you want to sprinkle glitter on your nail. You would sprinkle your glitter. I'm not going to put my nail there, but you would sprinkle your glitter over your nail like that. Like that. And then if you needed another sprinkle, you can pull that tray out because it's got a tray under it. You can pull that tray out and sprinkle it again. Isn't that cool? And then you can pull that bottom tray out and just put it back into your pot. How much easier and tidier is that? And then pop it back in. This is fantastic for dip powder, glitters, all stuff like that. I love it. In fact, I'm going to leave that out so that it reminds me to use it because I always forget. So yeah, that comes in a pack of 2 with little funnels, and that was cute, weren't it? So this is one last thing of mine, and then everything else after this is PR. So this is just a couple of Mylee, I think they call them quads. No, they're not quads because the quads come with 4 colours. These ones come with 2 colours and a top and a base. So you get your 10mm top and your base in these, and 2 colours. This one comes with a white. Mylee white is a fantastic white as well. It's one of them whites. That's called Break the Ice. And this is called As Red As It Gets. And this is like a deep red, isn't it? So that's that one. And this one, same again, comes with your top and your base. And this has got another red. This one's a bit lighter. This one's called Kiss Kiss. This one's like a cherry red. Proper cherry red. I like that actually. And then it's got a gorgeous nude. It's called Cozy Nights. I really like this. This is the kind of nude I use a lot. So that's a couple of gels I got off Mylee. Right, everything else now is PR. So firstly, I've got some new, Melody Susie has sent me these over. Look at these little Easter press-ons, aren't they cute? And these glow in the dark. So let's have a quick look at these Easter ones first. So let's see what they come with. Melody Susie this year, they've added loads of stuff to their range. Right, so you get a mini cuticle stick and file, alcohol pad, and you get your little sticky tabs to stick the nails on. And let's have a look at these little nails. These are so, do you know, I really like the shape of these. Let me find the size 0. Right, so that's the 0. Let's have a look. Oh, it actually fit. Do you know, I actually might even need the size 1. Let's have a look. No, that's a good fit. Oh my gosh. It actually fits my thumb. These are really cute. Look at that. These are so cute. Oh, these are cute. Look at the shape. They're going to be nice. I might put these on actually for Easter, because they're a really cute little shape, aren't they? Oh, I really like these. And you can always add a little bit of bling to these. If you have a gold one as an accent nail, you can add rhinestones, glitter. You don't have to wear them as they are. So yeah, these are supposed to be glow in the dark, these ones. Oh, there's green ones in here as well. So we've got a yellow, an orange. The yellow and orange are similar. We've got green and we've got pink. So shall we see how they glow? Oh my gosh, they do glow, guys, look at them. They glow slightly different colours, but not much. These two glow the same. They glow very well, actually. I like them. And again, you could blink. I don't think I've ever seen glow-in-the-dark press-ons. And again, you could add rhinestones, glitter, stickers. I have got these from Melody Susie previously. Look at these with the flames and chevrons. And these are like, I don't know, Chromie, Aurora. Yeah, they've got quite a lot of press-ons to choose from on the Melody Susie website. I've got a discount code as well. It'll all be in my description box. So, quickly, I'm not going to open these today. This is Crediu's brand new nail art gels. I think this is their 4th pack, isn't it now? And these are all pastel colours. Look at these. Yeah, I am not going to go through swatching and stuff on these today. I'm going to do a separate video. Oh, wow, this is a bright pastel. I like that. Yeah, they've got glow-in-the-dark liners, regular liners. Oh, that's going to drip. Glitter liners. Yeah, I think this is their 4th pack that they've done. So go and check out all the different liners from Crediu. I've got discount codes for everything, guys. Like I said, I'll leave it all below. And I've also got some Polygel from To Be Glam. So this is their All That Glitters kit. I love these little kits from To Be Glam. You don't get the base coat, top coat. You know, if you just want colours, I love this packaging. If you just want Polygel colours, To Be Glam do a lot of it. So again, I'm not going to swatch them. I'm going to do another video on them. I'll leave a picture up on the screen so you can see them. These are available on Amazon and the website. And what I've also got from To Be Glam, I'm so happy with this. This is To Be Glam's clear. Guys, if you're looking for a good clear, this, I could not decide between this and the McCourt one. McCourt is well known for being one of the best clear polygels. I did a clear polygel comparison video, and I think I used about 8 different brands, comparing them all. And the McCourt and To Be Glam, you could not pick between the two. They were both that good. It is a good clear, and this is a huge 60-gram tube. It's a massive one, and it's not dear either. It's really cheap. Oh shit! There's ingredients if anybody wants to see. And lastly, I have got a Vetsy mystery box. Right, guys, I'm not going to open that. I'm going to do a separate video on that because I think this video's already got a bit long. So yeah, I don't know where that's come from. That's random. They've been left out for a set of nails I was thinking of doing and changed my mind. But they definitely need using together, don't they? Them 3 colours. I definitely need to do something with them. Not sure. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Just a quickie to get through some of this stuff and show you what I'm going to be doing this next couple of weeks. I'm going to be using some of this. I'm going to be using some of the Crediu liner gels. If there's anything you'd like to see me use first, let me know, and I will do. And I'm without a doubt going to be using these glitters, definitely. Anyway, yeah, that is it, guys. All links will be below. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.